Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my Coronation Chicken? My American friends have been asking why a chicken, and it's because in the 1953 coronation of Queen Elizabeth II, the official dish was Coronation Chicken, which is a kind of chicken in a mayonnaise with curry and raisins. And it's not to, they loved it back then, but it's not to everyone's taste these days. So for the coronation, this time they had to come up with a dish that everybody would like. And guess what? It's a vegetarian quiche with broad beans and spinach. It sounds absolutely disgusting to me, but there we go. And even so, the vegans are now saying they don't like it and can't eat it. So it just goes to prove that you can't please all of the people all of the time. That said, I'm here to say that I hope we all of us, have a lovely weekend celebrating the coronation of our new king, King Charles III. And all that's left for me to say is, congratulations, Your Majesty.